Hi there, welcome back to the final video. In this video we will be looking at receiving in ETABS the information that we sent from Grasshopper. So, creating a new model in ETABS will make sure that our built-in settings and the default materials and sections database lines up to that which we defined in Grasshopper. I'm just going to have a blank canvas to start and we can click on OK. So under our tools, we can open up our Speckle connector and we can look now to receive our Grasshopper analytical model. We see a nice little preview here, and if we click on receive, this may take some time because it's a very large model. And there we have our complete model. So if we interrogate some of these results just to make sure that the sections have been assigned properly, we can view colors by section properties. And here we see we have different compressive strengths going up the tower, as well as different column properties. So on the perimeter we have our circular sections, and going up we have our rectangular sections. If we look at additional properties such as stiffness modifiers, which we assign to our frame objects, we see here the property modifiers of 0.7 and 0.7, and for the beams 0.35, 0.35. The floors we had assigned at 0.25, and for the walls we could have assigned those. In this section we've just assigned everything as 1, but that can basically just feed into our modifiers input. So jumping back into ETABS, we have a near complete model that's as defined, or everything was defined in Grasshopper. We've just received that straight in ETABS. So that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial series. If you got stuck on anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. The best platform to do that would be under speckle.systems, under our community platform, under the help tab. We welcome any and all questions, and we hope that you enjoy your Speckle journey.